Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make AI cover songs. So this is what we're going to do. The first things first is you'll have to find the music that you want. So this is mine here, for example. You'll have to download this in your computer, and then you'll have to go to a website called X-Pro. In X-Pros, you're just going to click here, Vocal Remover, and then you're going to upload the song here. Alright, after that one, you should be able to see something like this. So green is for the instrumental and then blue is for vocals. You'll have to download both. And then we're going to go to this particular website here. It says create AI vocals. It's create.musicfy.lol. And then we're going to put our vocals in here. So this is going to be the source. And then we're also going to have an output artist. And here you'll have a lot of choices to choose from. Here at the top, you can choose a genre. Say, for example, here. And then after that one, you can just select a particular artist. You're just going to press that one, and then it will be set here. You can set the pitch. It's up to you. You can also click to remove instrumental, but in our case, since we already had it removed earlier, we don't need to do so. And then after that one, we're just going to hit remix. Okay, and we already got it here. We're just going to download it. Now that we're done downloading it, we can then combine this one. So let's say open, for example, CapCut. Basically, you can combine this to any particular software that you have. In my case, I'm going to be using CapCut this time. Right now, I'm just going to combine the two. So this is going to be my vocals, and then this is going to be my instrumental. All right, so let's try to listen to it. Okay, congratulations everyone. That's how you're going to make your own AI cover songs.